What is going on, ARASC Nation? It's your boy Austin here, and today we're gonna bring you this video to talk about gear ratio. Aaron, do you want to explain to them what a gear ratio is?
Gear ratio for a reel is the amount of times the bail will spin around the spool for one turn of the handle.
Alright, so right here we have a spinning reel that's a 5:1 gear ratio. And what that means is the spool will spin 5 times around for one turn in the handle. To show, we will count it how many times this thing spins around. See, we have it right here, and we're going to count, and the handle is about at a 270-degree angle, we're going to call it. Yeah, 270. And so now we're going to count how many times this thing spins around. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so we're back at the starting spot, and that's basically showing you what it is. Most bait casters have higher gear ratios. Most bait casters are 6:3 to 1s, which means the spool was. What the hell is going on there, Aaron? Aaron's talking to me upside down, if you guys didn't know. He's eating cake too, so it's a little hard to. Well, anyway, after all this nonsense that he's put us through. What?